Yo guys, what's up? Today is the 19th January 2026 and today we took two win, right? Those two. So, even today, I'm sorry, but I need to be quick because here is kind of pretty late. It's 9:44 p.m. and I need to do back test. I need to um journal my past trade and then gym, food, shower, and sleep. So I need to be quick. So coming into the day this morning. So as you can see, those two are the trade that I took today. Um, let me. Yep. Okay. So, coming in this morning, I took this long two way to this 15-minute gap we had above us. Why? Because we swept this high time frame low here, going in 3 minutes. So no, let's go in 1 minute. So it's more clear. Um, then what we saw this high time frame getting swept here this week. Then what we saw was this. As you can see, we have an internal SMT with the ES. Here we had no fair value gap to get ran through, so I looked for this 1 minute gap inside the first manipulation leg. So I said like, okay, if we inverse this one, it's more likely we wanna go higher. And then I enter on this candle at the closure above this gap, stop at the stop rate right there, and last take profit was this 15-minute gap I filled. We ended up closing two contract here and one contract here, no, not here but here at break even and this level right there. And the first trade we made more or less $100, and this was the trade. Okay, second trade during bank holiday on US. um, we have a new week opening gap above us, uh, which fuck, which is this one, right? Really huge different in price today at the start of Monday morning. Um, what we can say about this trade is my condition for this trade was seeing this low, which was London low, getting swept, fuck, getting swept, right, and making an SMT somewhere. This is my A plus setup. So what happened was that we swept London low, we created low, we swept the low. So went really down to the 1 minute and saw no fair value. So I went to the 3 minute and I saw this fair value here. Right. So my first idea was to enter right there, stop here and targeting what this 15-minute gap, right? This was my initial idea. Then I said, is bank holiday, volume is not that much, so I want to see more confirmation. So I scale up. I saw this 5 minute. Let me remove this 5 minute gap that got inverted, and even here I hesitate to enter my position right there, just because I wasn't sure. I wasn't feeling confident. So I said like, okay, we now displacing above the changes state of delivery. If we have if we can get a retest inside one of those confluence here, and we can see a nice push higher and out the confluence, I'm gonna go all in, right? So I waited for this gap to get ran through, with this strong displacement. I didn't enter here just because the like protected low was too close, and at the same time we never tapped inside of those gaps right there. So I said I'm not sure that this is a safe low, right? I wasn't sure that this was a safe low. So I said like, okay, let me see higher time frame. What we have this 3 minute. Let me remove this. That is not useful. We have this 3 minute. Yep, we have this 3 minute. As soon as we can get outside this box, I'm gonna buy. Market blessed me with this push lower. As you can see, this. I mean, this is a as a wick, and if I don't get it wrong, I entered more or less at the close of this candle. So pretty good. Was a pretty good fill, in my opinion. Then I went break even at this internal structure right there, and not this one. Um, just because one, we hit both of them at the same time, so not important. And even because this was an internal structure, not an external structure. So I said, okay, I want to use this external structure, and took out one contract here and another contract here or here, don't remember, let's say and a half. More or less was a 2 hour trade, this one. And yeah, this was a continuation trade, and this was a Mac model. And I'm pretty happy, pretty happy, pretty solid day. I know I'm not risking that much because even today um, I made more or less 232, so it's not that good. Considering that I need 3k to pass the challenge, so I need to size up my contract, and I will do it tomorrow. So 100%. Let's see the all-time like data from this 50k account. We are up to 166.7% of win rate, more or less 1 hour as an average, and this is still kind of bad because I'm losing more than I win. So I need to work with that. This means that I risk too much and I cut winners too early, right? So yeah, pretty strong first day of the week. Considering it was bank holiday, I'm gonna look forward. So pretty fucking happy. Okay, life has been hard, but right now looks like we're getting to some point, and this makes me wanna cry, 100%, and cry like a baby. But it's not the time location to cry. So thank you so much, guys, for being there. Listen to my bullshit. Hope to see you next time with more wins, but not more than two because two is my max. So no more than two. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. See you next time.